Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps. This shows the real list. Once there, tap the three-dot menu and enable Show System or Disabled Apps so nothing is hidden from view. Look for unfamiliar package names and open App Info. Here you can see if the app is disabled, has admin rights, or stores data. Do this now. These steps expose what's hidden and let you decide whether you can safely remove it. Next, you check and revoke special rights that block removal. If the app is a device administrator, go to Security Device Admin Apps and turn it off. This unlocks Uninstall. Then attempt Uninstall from App Info. Alternatively, open Play Store, find the app and tap Uninstall. If the system blocks removal, reboot into safe mode to stop third-party launchers and try again. Once done, make sure residual data is visible before moving to deeper methods. For stubborn apps, you use a stronger tool, a DB. Connect your device, enable USB debugging, and run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name to remove a persistent package. This removes it for your user without root. Once removed, clear data and cache, reboot, and confirm the app no longer appears in app lists or storage. If something goes wrong, back up your data first. As a last resort, a factory reset wipes persistent remnants. Try that only after other options fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.